Well, this is Friday 2/8/13. A blizzard that was promised long ago for today's date is still on, my friends. It's still on. And it says here, one storm to rule them all. The board is set, the pieces are moving. And look at this map here on the snowfall amounts. Of course, we're here. Of course, this is from Boston. Look at this incredible map of how much snow we're expecting. Yeah, it's starting to snow. It's now 8 a.m. on this Friday, February 8th. The latest forecast suggests we're going to get 2 feet. You know what I mean by 2 feet? 24 inches? Yep. Well, it's around 12 noon. We picked up about an inch of snow, 12 noon. As the snow accumulates, I'll see if I can see the snowfall amounts based to those trunks of those pain-in-the-ass trees that were cut down almost 1 year ago. You know, today is February 8th. It was exactly 1 year and 6 months ago today, August 8, 2011. I was outside and there was a close-by CG strike and a big clap of thunder. I do have that video on YouTube. I didn't get the lightning, but I did get the thunderclap. Yeah, exactly 1 year and 6 months ago today, 8/8/11. That's something to warm you up. Yeah, how about that? And of course, August 8, 2008, I videotaped a cloud that looked like a big tornado coming out. That video is also on YouTube. Here's about 2:15, same afternoon, Friday. And the snow's picking up here. Yeah, you can see. I made a little path out there, as you can see. It's now a little after 4 p.m. They're going to be doing that all night and well into tomorrow too. Comes his buddy. They're going to do the same thing to the runways of all airports affected by this. Driving in England, driving on the wrong side of the road. Yeah. I shoveled the path again. We're up to 3 inches now. Well, here it is. It's coming and it's here. Nemo is the name of the blizzard. It's like Finding Nemo. Oh yeah, well Nemo found us. Oh, look at that, man. Real white out. Yeah, unbelievable. You can see the paths I made only a few hours ago filled up very rapidly. Yeah. It's going to stay like this all night, so we guarantee we're going to get a lot more yet. Just incredible, man, I'll tell you. They say Blizzard Nemo is definitely going to pick right up where Superstorm Sandy left off. Well, Nemo must knock that tree down. Look, it's not there anymore. Remember that tree you've seen in my Tstorm videos? There was a tree there, it's not there anymore. Well, sorry for Grayson, but good for my videoing the lightning storms later this year. Yeah, I wish those guys came down too. Boy, look at this. I don't believe it, that tree's down. And I did not cut it down, nor I had the people cut these trees down last March 21st. Cut that down. Oh, amazing, that tree's gone. Oh, look at this. Here a jet fighter way up in the sky. But all the airports are all closed, shut down tight, like Fort Knox. Yeah. We're looking out the east side now. Yeah, we got more sky even on the east side too. Yeah, this tree's been knocked. Yeah, right there. Saves me from having to. Yeah. Of course, that's my microphone there when we get to the Tstorm season. Oh yes. Boy, so we got more sky to videotape the lightning come the Tstorm season. My good YouTube Tstorm buddies, Tom, New Hampshire, Elisa from Brooklyn, Scott from Queens, Long Island, New York. I got more sky to videotape the lightning, so if there's anything that Nemo did that was good, now I got more skies to videotape the lightning. Yeah. We're now on the north side. Yeah, some of these guys been knocked down too. I'll tell you, those trees took up a lot more space when I videotaped the 62602 monster nighttime lighting show. Some of you people have seen my video of that. Yeah. This is quite a scene, my YouTube buddies. It's now 7:30 on this February 9th, 2013. Yeah. Of course, today's date marks some interesting anniversaries. In 1969, we had about 20 inches of snow in Port Washington, the most snow I can remember at that time. I'm sure today we're probably close to it. We'll probably pick up more. And on this date in 1934, we had incredibly low temperatures. Temperatures was minus 15 in New York City, the coldest ever there. And here it was minus 17. And yet it was July 9, 1936. 2 years, 5 months later, New York City hit 106. So they did go from one extreme to another in just 2 years and 5 months. Yeah, I did a lot of shoveling here. A lot. Oh, there's some thunderheads for you. My Tstorm buddies, Tommy from New Hampshire. I got some thunderheads for you. Maybe we'll see some this summer. Yeah. Oh, nice squall line here I made. Boy, you can see how deep the snow is. Well, Nemo was forecasted well in advance, and I kid you not. See, when I shovel snow, this is how I do it. I make blocks, and it really works. See how I do it? I make blocks. Pick it up with the shovel and just throw it over here. I know, it looks like I'm building an igloo, huh? Yeah. See that tree's come down a little. You can see where it snapped. I got more skies to videotape the real lightning from the real thunderheads later this Tstorm season. Already they're predicting severe weather down in the deep south next couple of days. But that's supposed to give us rain, not snow. So what do you think, my YouTube buddies? What do you think of all this? I built that mountain myself. Want to go skiing? I built one there too. That guy's supposed to come back later today and do another round with the plowing of the driveway, but this is what the place looks like. And the plow guy's back. Boy, by the way, wow. You love snow, you're in the right part of the country for them. My sister agrees with me when she has the hiccups. I could have done that. Boy, I did that all by myself. Yep. Boy, how much work I put in this morning is equivalent to my doing 200 AccuWeather reports in 1 week. Okay, my YouTube Tstorm buddies. Yep, a shout out to all my Tstorm buddies. Tom, New Hampshire. Elisa from Brooklyn. Scott from Queens. Josh from St. Louis. Marshall from Michigan, who had thunder on January 29th. Yeah. Of course, Alex, my good Tstorm buddy, since 7/2/99.
Yeah, so you can get at the barn.
I'll probably have to do some shoveling between now and tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Look good on Doppler radar, my Tstorm buddies. Well, they certainly look like thunderheads. You can see what happened to that tree. That's why I like it there instead of there. I'm sure my Tstorm buddies agree. Those are still bent out of shape, just like I am after all that shoveling. I'm sort of bent out of shape too after all the shoveling. Yeah. Well, day's work is done. One more video here. When they're still hauling, I'll be able to get the car out. Yeah, driveway's all done. Winter wonderland here, I must say. Well, I tell you, looks like a squall line of thunderheads all around. Yep, that's, I keep saying that's what they look like. It would look even prettier if the sun was still shining on them. Let's clear it up nicely. Yeah. Boys, look at all this in the back. This is unbelievable. Yeah. I must say, you did a nice job. Careful, there's ice on this driveway, so I have to be extremely careful. Someone's out there. Okay, well. Right, he did that already too. I've yet to do the ramp and everything. Alright. Yeah, the dog agrees with me. He wants a sausage and also a lot of shoveling done today. Okay. Unbelievable. At least we got more skies to videotape the lightning, because a lot of the trees have been knocked down from Superstorm Sandy and also from Blizzard Nemo. We didn't have to go be finding Nemo. Nemo found us. Bye now.